Did you know that spending a few minutes recognizing your baby's natural sleep cues could be more effective than any high-tech gadget? Many new parents find themselves overwhelmed by the array of sleep solutions on the market. But the truth is, your baby's own signals might be the most powerful guide. By simply observing and understanding these cues, such as rubbing eyes, yawning, or becoming quiet, you can effectively time bedtime before your baby becomes overtired. This gentle approach not only avoids the stress of costly products, but taps into the natural rhythms your baby already possesses. Imagine having peaceful nights without the trial and error of numerous sleep aids. When you make small, informed tweaks to your baby's bedtime routine, like adjusting lighting or ensuring calm activities, you create an environment that supports their ability to fall asleep smoothly. This is about working with your baby's inherent patterns rather than against them. Such nurturing practices not only lead to more restful nights, but also foster a sense of security and well-being for your little one. By respecting these natural rhythms, you're doing more than just helping them sleep. You're setting the foundation for healthy sleep habits that will last a lifetime. The worry over your baby's sleep isn't just about getting a few extra hours of rest for yourself. It's also crucial for your baby's growth and development. Sleep is a vital part of your baby's daily routine, influencing everything from cognitive development to mood regulation. When a baby gets enough restful sleep, they are more likely to be alert, happy, and ready to learn when awake. Plus, regular sleep patterns can help regulate their feeding schedule and digestion, which contributes to their overall health and well-being. Understanding this, many parents become anxious about doing everything they can to support their baby's sleep quality. Yet, it's easy to feel uncertain, especially when bombarded with advice that suggests you need every new gadget or special crib to make this happen. The truth is, the motivation behind finding the right sleep routine is genuinely to nurture your baby's natural development without unnecessary stress or expense. By focusing on simplicity and the inherent signals your baby gives, you not only alleviate your concerns, but empower yourself to confidently make decisions that truly benefit your child. This approach supports a harmonious family environment, where sleep becomes a gentle, integrated practice rather than a battleground of trial and error. Many parents mistakenly believe that achieving perfect sleep for their baby requires investing in the latest sleep gadgets or following strict and complex routines. It's a common confusion to think that these products can substitute for the understanding and attentiveness a parent naturally provides. While these gadgets may offer temporary solutions, they often overlook the simple, more effective methods of responding to your baby's natural signals of readiness for sleep. This misunderstanding can lead to unnecessary spending and frustration when the desired results aren't reached, causing parents to feel like they're failing despite their best efforts. Instead, what often gets overlooked is the power of a consistent and calm bedtime routine tailored to your baby's unique needs and rhythms. Many parents don't realize that their presence and understanding can be the most comforting sleep aid for their baby. By tuning into your baby's cues and creating a soothing bedtime ritual, you facilitate a secure and predictable environment. This simplicity and regularity are what truly help in settling your baby into a restful night. Shifting focus from external solutions to family-centered approaches will likely lead to the restful sleep both you and your baby need. The evidence is clear and reassuring. Understanding and responding to your baby's natural sleep cues is one of the most effective strategies for improving their sleep. Research shows that babies thrive on routine and predictability, and by tuning into their specific signals, you can create a sleep-friendly environment that naturally eases them into rest. For instance, noticing when your baby begins to rub their eyes, become less engaged, or yawn are all signs they are ready for sleep. Responding to these cues promptly and consistently helps align their internal clock, making sleep come more naturally. Furthermore, studies have found that consistent bedtime practices, such as reading a quiet story, dimming the lights, and gentle rocking, not only help in calming your baby, but also in setting a relaxing tone for sleep onset. These rituals help reinforce the association between specific activities and sleep, allowing your baby to feel secure and prepared for rest. This evidence-based approach not only meets your baby's immediate sleep needs, but also contributes to long-term sleep habits that promote health and development. By embracing simplicity and consistency, you're empowering yourself and supporting your baby's natural growth trajectory. Think of your baby's sleep routine as a gentle symphony, where each part plays a crucial role in creating harmony. Here's a simple 3-step analogy to remember. Imagine spotting your baby's sleep cues as the first melody, setting their room like an inviting concert hall for soothing sounds, and performing a calm bedtime routine as the closing lullaby. Each of these steps complements the others, creating a seamless transition to sleep. By recognizing your baby's natural rhythms and merging them with consistent practices, you orchestrate an environment where sleep naturally flows. In contrast to this harmonious approach, trying to force sleep with gadgets or rigid schedules can feel like a discordant note, disrupting your baby's peaceful slumber. Just as different instruments in a symphony require delicate timing, your baby's signals guide the right moment for rest, reducing overtiredness and sleep struggles. This method not only simplifies your routine, but also encourages a loving interaction that builds trust and understanding between you and your baby. By following these steps, you're not just aiding their sleep, you're cultivating a nurturing bond that resonates beyond nighttime. One common pitfall to avoid is waiting until your baby is overtired before trying to put them to sleep. When babies are overtired, their bodies release stress hormones, making it much more challenging for them to settle down and fall asleep. This can often lead to fussy nights and frequent awakenings. Instead, pay close attention to subtle cues, like reduced activity, quieting down, or softer facial expressions, and start the bedtime routine before they reach that overtired state. This proactive approach makes for a much smoother, stress-free transition into sleep. Another mistake is changing the bedtime environment too frequently or drastically with different products or stimuli. Consistency is key for your baby's sleep success, as too many changes can confuse and unsettle them. Stick to a predictable routine with familiar activities and a consistent sleep setting to ensure they feel safe and secure. By establishing these routines and maintaining a stable environment, you're helping your baby develop healthy sleep habits that will support restful nights and contribute to their overall well-being. Avoid these common pitfalls, and you'll find that sleep becomes a more peaceful and enjoyable experience for both you and your baby. Instead of relying on gadgets and disruptive change, focus on creating a simple and consistent bedtime routine that suits your baby's natural inclinations. Begin by crafting a predictable sequence of soothing activities, such as a warm bath, a gentle lullaby, or some quiet story time. These rituals not only cue your baby that bedtime is approaching, but also provide comfort and a sense of security. The key is repetition. By consistently performing these activities in the same order, you help build a calming rhythm that your baby will associate with sleep, facilitating smoother transitions to rest. Additionally, make sure your baby's sleep environment is conducive to rest. This means ensuring that the room is dimly lit, quiet, and at a comfortable temperature. Soft, comfortable bedding and a familiar sleeping environment can also enhance their sense of security. Introducing a calming scent, like lavender, might also help in setting a peaceful tone. By choosing to focus on personalized, gentle practices over technological solutions, you foster an environment where your baby feels nurtured and secure, encouraging the kind of deep, restful sleep that supports their growth and well-being. A consistent sleep routine not only ensures your baby is getting adequate rest, but plays a pivotal role in their brain development. During sleep, your baby's brain is hard at work, organizing and consolidating information gathered throughout the day. This is vital for their cognitive development, as it aids in memory formation and learning. A regular sleep pattern helps maximize these periods of crucial brain activity, setting a strong foundation for cognitive growth as your baby continues to develop and explore the world around them. Moreover, adequate sleep is essential for supporting your baby's immune system. While sleeping, their body produces cytokines, proteins that are key to fighting off infections, reducing inflammation, and managing stress. By ensuring your baby has a consistent and restful sleep environment, you boost their overall health, making them less susceptible to illnesses and contributing positively to their digestive health. This investment in their sleep is an investment in their long-term well-being, fostering a healthy start that will benefit them as they grow. Ultimately, a good night's sleep is about more than just rest. It's about nurturing your baby's physical and mental development. Start tonight by observing your baby's cues and choosing a consistent bedtime. Try to widen your focus during the evening to spot signs like yawning, decreased activity, or rubbing eyes. These are gentle indicators that bedtime is approaching. Implement a mini bedtime routine that might include a warm bath, followed by a quiet story or a soothing lullaby. Pick a few simple, calming activities that you can perform at the same time every evening, using soft lighting and a gentle voice to signal that sleep is near. Evaluate the sleep environment your baby is in. Take a moment to ensure their sleep space is comfortable and free of distractions. Dim the lights and consider white noise to drown out household sounds that might disturb their slumber. Adjust room temperature to a moderate, comfortable setting, and ensure your baby is dressed appropriately for the night's climate. These simple changes can dramatically improve their ability to fall asleep and stay asleep, offering immediate support for their sleep cycle. By taking these easy steps, you'll be setting the stage for a peaceful, nurturing sleep experience that benefits both you and your child. If you didn't know about the power of a simple, consistent sleep routine before, you're not alone. Many parents face uncertainty when it comes to understanding their newborn's sleep needs, sifting through a tidal wave of advice and products promising quick solutions. It's completely normal to feel overwhelmed by the pressure to perfect your baby's sleep environment. Remember, parenting is a learning journey, one where you grow alongside your baby. Mistakes are part of the process, and discovering what works for you and your little one is the key to making strides in their sleep habits. You might worry whether you're doing enough to support your baby's development, and that too is a common concern. The fact that you're seeking information and striving to improve your baby's sleep shows just how dedicated you are. Trust in your intuition and the small, consistent steps you're taking towards creating a nurturing sleep environment. These efforts cumulatively build a foundation of security and wellness that your baby will carry with them. Embrace this journey with patience and self-compassion, and know that each night marks a small victory in your parenting path. By investing in these simple changes to your baby's bedtime routine, you're not only enhancing their immediate sleep quality, but also supporting their long-term development in profound ways. Regular, restful sleep is a cornerstone of healthy growth, providing the brain with the opportunity to process new experiences and knowledge, which is crucial during these early stages of life. As your baby grows, this consistency in routine fosters a sense of security and predictability, which is integral to their emotional well-being. This approach supports not just their physical health, but also their capacity to handle new challenges with resilience. As you nurture your baby's sleep habits, you're instilling in them a foundation for confidence and self-soothing skills that they will carry into childhood and beyond. The gentle routines you establish now will eventually evolve into healthy sleep patterns that serve as an essential component of their daily life. This continued emphasis on quality sleep cultivates a balance that paves the way for a thriving, confident child who is well-equipped to explore the world around them. You're not just addressing sleep challenges today, you're laying the groundwork for a lifetime of beneficial sleep habits and overall well-being. As you journey through the ups and downs of parenting, remember that the gentle rhythms you establish now will echo throughout your baby's life, creating a melodic backdrop for their growth and experiences. The small, mindful adjustments in their bedtime routine are not just about providing immediate relief from sleepless nights. They're an investment in your baby's future happiness and health. Each peaceful night builds upon a foundation of trust and love, nurturing a sense of comfort and security that will guide them as they navigate the world. Cherish these early moments as you support your child's sleep and well-being. They are fleeting yet profound parts of your shared story. Embrace the beauty of the quiet nights and the joyful mornings that follow, knowing that your dedication is shaping more than just your baby's sleep. It's shaping their heart and spirit. By nourishing their sleep, you're offering them more than rest. You're crafting a narrative of care and intention that will stay with them throughout the years. Because when you prioritize peaceful sleep, you're nurturing more than dreams. You're cultivating a deeply rooted sense of love and protection. Thank you for joining us in nurturing your baby's growth journey. Subscribe for more expert-driven tips that support your family's well-being. And let's continue this incredible parenting adventure together.